Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video I have a Math Olympiad problem. The problem is 2 plus root 3 all in brackets raised to power x plus 2 minus root 3 all in that bracket raised to power x is equal to 14. I am required to find the value of x. I am going to use two methods to solve this problem. In the first method, I'm going to use the trial and error method. Now I'm going to let x equals to 1, and if x equals to 1, I'll simply put the value of 1 for where I have x in the original question. So 2 plus root 3 then plus 2 minus root 3, is it equal to 14? This and this will cancel out because they are equal and opposite. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 is not equal to 14. I'm also going to let x equal to 2 and then substitute where I have x in the original question. That becomes 2 plus root 3 all raised to power 2 plus 2 minus root 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 14. If I expand this, I have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 root 3 then plus 3 plus 4 minus 4 root 3 plus 3 is equal to 14. I'm trying to find out. This and this will cancel out. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 4 plus 3 again is 7, equals to 14. So x is equal to 2. But how else are we going to solve it? The second method, I'm going to solve it algebraically. Now, if you look at the equation in the left-hand side, we'll see that these and these are conjugates. Being conjugate, let us multiply them together and see if we're going to get 1. So 2 plus root 3 multiplying 2 minus root 3 will give us 2 times 2 is 4, and then root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. Because they are conjugates, we can write them as difference of two squares. We have 1. So 1 is the result of this multiplication. It simply means that 2 minus root 3 is 1 over 2 plus root 3. Good. What I will do now is, where I have 2 minus root 3, I'm going to put 1 over 2 plus root 3 in place of it. So I have 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x plus 1 over 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x is equal to 14. Now 1 raised to power x is still 1 all over 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. Then we have 2 plus root 3 raised to power x here equals to 14. Now I need to make a substitution. I'm going to let t be equal to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. And if that's the case, I have t here plus 1 over t is equal to 14. To clear this fraction, I need to multiply through by t. That becomes t squared plus 1 over t times t will give us 1 equals to 14 times t is 14t. Now rewriting it, t squared minus 14t plus 1 is equal to 0. I'm going to use the formula method to solve this quadratic equation, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 14, and c is equal to 1. So t equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. When we substitute the value of a, b, and c in that formula, we are going to get this. So t is equal to 14 plus or minus the square root of minus 14 squared is 196. Then minus 4 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Then t is equal to 14 plus or minus 196 minus 4 is 192 all over 2. Therefore, t is equal to 14 plus or minus 192 can be written as 64 times 3. So we have square root of 64 times 3 all over 2, which will give us 14 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8, then times root 3 all over 2. Now t equals to, I can factorize 2 out here. That becomes 2 times 7 plus 4 root 3 all over 2, where these 2 and these 2 will cancel out, giving us 7 plus or minus 4 root 3. So T1 is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, and T2 is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. Let's recall that T is equal to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. Now, this can be T1, and then T2 will make it to be 2 minus root 3 all raised to power x. Now, equating this and this, we have 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. Let us rewrite this expression, and then 7 can be written as 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 equals to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. Now, 4 can be written as 2 squared, then 3 can be written as root 3 all squared, then plus 2 times 2 times root 3 is equal to this, that is 2 plus root 3 all squared, all raised to power x rather. Writing this part, I have 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 2 times root 3, then plus root 3 all squared is equal to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. This is now in this form: a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b all squared, where a is 2 and b is root 3. Therefore, 2 plus root 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 2 plus root 3 all raised to power x. This and this are the same thing, so x is equal to 2, just as we have in the first method that we used.